What is up, YouTube? As you can see, I'm rolling this tire out because I got me some mail the other day, and I can't get them put on till tomorrow, but I'm just checking something out. As you can see, there's the ride right there. So look, what I currently got on here is some 245s. What are they? 245 45 20s, and these are 275 40 20s. Look at that. That'll definitely look good. Can't get them put on till tomorrow, man. So those of you guys who are or 5'7" guys, man, and you're wanting to know if a 275 40 20 is gonna fit on your car, we'll find out tomorrow if they do or not without no problem. You know, a lot of people told me that they would, so that's why I bought them. But we'll find out tomorrow for sure if these things will fit on here. And if you guys haven't seen the video I did last week, that's the reason why I'm buying new tires, is because my other ones got shredded. So man, I hope they do fit. You know, they should. You know, a lot of people, like I said, a lot of people told me they would, so without no problems. So I don't have to get no spacers, nothing like that. But yeah, just a little short video, man. It's a little short video. What I got, so I got 4 of them. So I'm doing 275 20s or 40 20s all the way around. So when I first seen them, I was like, man, they sent me some big old freaking truck tires. And I kept looking at them, and they just seemed too big. But now that I got them untaped from one another, they look like they can fit, man. So, and I'll tell you, the name brand is Atturo. 275 40 ZR20s 106 YXL. So if you guys are looking for some new tires, man, and you don't want to break the bank, right here, for all four of them, I paid $471. So if you're trying not to break the bank and you don't want to go, and I did some checking up on these, man. These are some good tires for, you know, for the price, man. It's good stuff. So I will do a review on them as soon as I get them on, and I got them on for about a week or two, man. I'll let you know how they what my standards are of them, or my opinion of them, and then we'll go from there. But so far, man, it looks like that I'm gonna be very happy with them. So stay tuned for that video as well. Tomorrow, I'll do a video tomorrow morning. Well, not tomorrow morning. I'll take my car up there tomorrow morning, but yeah, I don't know what time they'll get done with it because I got so many other cars ahead of me. So once they get the tires on, man, and everything's good, man, I'll shoot a little video for you guys for tomorrow's video, just so you can see what they look like on the vehicle. But But yeah, man, I just wanted to get that out there, man. Let you guys know that high octane Hemi, man, getting some new tires, man. So put on the 5.7. So man, I can't wait. It's been weird because I've been driving on these tires, these other tires I smoked out last weekend. I've been driving on yesterday or last night. It was raining, no grip whatsoever, man. It just spun out because there is no tread on my tires. It's all strings. It's down to the strings now. I mean, like the outside parts. So like if you look at a tire, you do a burnout, on a tire you only get so much that gets on the concrete. So like the outsides and the inside part of the tire, there's still tread on those, but the middle where the tire actually touches the concrete or the pavement is still there, but the inside part is gone. So it makes it tough for it to get any kind of traction. It was crazy. I was trying to hit the gas, and at the same time I was hitting the gas, all I did was spin. So because it's like a slick, it's like a racing slick right now. So it is what it is. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. That's just a little short video, let you know what I got, what's going on. Tomorrow we'll get the finished product with them on there, with the rims and everything, and then after that I will give you a review. Like 2 or 3 weeks from now, I'll give you a review on how the tires have held up so far, because I'm getting ready to take a trip in a couple weeks. So, and I knew that since that I was taking this trip, I knew that if we were taking that car, that we were not going to be able to take it because of the tire issue. But we don't have to worry about that now because we got the tires. So alright, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. You guys have a good one. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. We'll get something going there tomorrow, and then you can just sit back and hold tight for the rest of the videos to come out. If you guys haven't checked out my sponsor, go check them out. I think it was like 2 videos ago, or in the video that says I got sponsored, you can save 15% off your push button start decal, or you can get a dual fuel door decal put on. But you can use the name High Octane Hemi, all one word. H is capital in the front. You save 15% off your purchase. So go check that out and get your stuff. Alright, man, I'm out. Later. See you in the next one. Be safe out there. Drive safe. Later.